So now, yes. So permission level, admin users are part of it. Okay. So guys, so I'm providing the name and the description. Here we have the parent group. So we'll discuss about the parent group. And if you want to provide any group members into this group, you can provide. So as of now, I'm providing my user here to add into this group. Yeah, this is my user ID I have given as part of the group members. And we have the custom group we have, or else. Uh, so I will explain you guys this one, no need to worry. So visibility conditions and everything. So once we go log into the application, yeah. See, I have added the admin group here and providing the administrator permission level. So now the issue and recommendation got resolved, right? So now again I'm creating so as of now I'm not creating, I will create from the application level. So as of now I have given only the administrator group. So now I'm trying to give my username directly. Here it is saying you can provide user or a group, right? So now I'm trying to provide my username here. So let's see what will happen. So yeah, so I'm providing my name and providing the URX. See, one recommendation got highlighted. Individual user detected. APN recommends only using groups to configure the security. See, why we need groups in the sense to configure the security, guys. See, APN recommends only using groups to configure the security. That's why we will create the group objects. Where is the objects? So APN recommends only using the groups to configure the security. So that's why we require to create the groups. So it will, because this user will be present in this environment. So when you want to deploy this group to the target environment or application into the target environment, at that environment, we don't have this user, right? So then there will be an issue, right? So that's why APN recommends only using the groups. So if the user is part of it or not part of it, that doesn't mind. So whoever the user is part of the admin group then can have their access to uh, use the application. So like that. So it is not recommended to use the individual users as a security level permissions. So now I have created my train for application. Okay. So here plan of your application. See, this is plan window. So we are currently under the what we are currently under the application, not the designer. Okay. So whenever you logged in into the environment, we have again five tabs are available. In the five tabs, we have the plan and we have the explore window and we have the build. In build only, we will create the objects and modify the objects and everything we will do in the build. And if you want to go to the deployment window of this application, you can go. And if you want to go to the monitoring tab, so these are all the application level, guys. Previously, I have shown you, na, those are environment level. So I will show you what is meant by the application level and environment level. So in this application level, so plan of action, plan of application, you're in the sense you are developing any one of the plan here. Okay. That means if you want to generate a plan by giving some prompt here, anything, so it will generate a plan A. Okay. So I don't want that as of now. So in the explore window, see in the explore window, what do you want to build first? New record type, new process model, new site or portal. From here as well, we can create the APN objects. These are all the APN objects, guys. See, record type is one of the APN object. Process model is one of the APN object. And portal and site. These are all the APN objects. Okay. So I'm closing this. Yep. So now here, yeah, from here itself we can able to create a new objects. Okay, and in this window we can directly navigate to the existing objects as well. But as of now, we have not created any one of the object, right? So that's why. See here, see all objects. We have only one object got created. So I'm clicking on this hyperlink. See, whenever I click on this hyperlink, it will navigate me into the build view. Build view. So this is the build view, guys. In this build view itself, we will build our objects, Appian objects. Okay. So this is the application landing page, guys. We are under the training for application. Okay. Train for application we are having. We are under the train for application. So in this train for application, I will show you quickly what are the options are available. Okay, quickly I will give you demo. So here we are under the all objects. Okay, here is the drop down, right? So when you have created a new package, here a new package option is available, right? When you have created a new package, that package is also available under this drop down. So you can select that package and you can see those package objects here. Okay. If you want to export this application, you can export by using this export application button. If you want to import application changes from other environment into this environment, you can use this import package option. And you want to see what are the packages by using the create package option. What are the packages you have created? Those packages you want to see, you can use this view packages option. So this is one of the deployment option called compare and deploy. So when you selected this object, few other options also get pop up, like see, if you want to create a new object, you can select any one of the objects from here. See, we will create each and every object, no need to worry, but as of now I'm showing you the what are the options are available. So when you want to create a new object, you can select any one of the object type from here itself in the new drop down, and you can provide the what are the proper details we required. Those details we can provide. Add to the existing application. So see, if you want to add to the existing objects, you can add folder contents you want to add, you can add. So when we are created now, so I will show you how it works as well. You no need to worry. So when you have created the package, you have created already the package, you want to add that object into that package, you can use this option to add the object into the package. And you want to know about this security, you can view the security. No access default all other users. Cancel this. And the dependence in the sense dependence and precedence, I will show you once we are working on the POC, guys. Dependents are nothing but the this object is used in somewhere, that will be the dependent, or else this object using some other objects, then those will be the dependents. What are the objects this was used by the another object will be the precedent. So without this theoretical explanation, I will show you practically when we develop the few other objects as well. Okay. So move to the other application. You want to move this object to the different application. You can move this by selecting the other application name here. See, when you want to develop, move to the other application, you can select this and you can move this object from this application to other application. And you want to remove from this application, in the sense it will be removed from this application, but it won't move to any of the other application. It will store under the all objects window. I have shown you earlier all objects tab. There itself you can able to identify. If you want to delete, you can delete. Properties you want to know, versions you want to know, you want to create a new version, you can create, you want to rename, you can rename, you can download, you can view the documentation, everything we can able to possible. For this groups we don't have these options, versions. For groups we don't have the versions. Okay, this point is also one of the good point you can mention while discussing about the groups we don't have the versions. So one of the major highlights of this APN, guys, we have the version control. So for every object, we have the versions. So if you have modified something, that version is causing the issues. If you can revert to the previous version, and you can put the same code as well before what the code is there. So like that, you can able to change the versions as well of your objects. So now we'll quickly create a new group, guys. Okay. Whenever I'm creating a new groups, we want to know about the group. What is meant by group when we will create the groups. Okay. So here, APN can generate certain groups automatically during the application creation. So yes, this we have seen. If you have a large number of group types to be organized and associated. Okay. Yeah. Ready, group type, UUID. Term group. Yes. Yeah, guys, here the group type option is available now. So I will show you what is meant by the group type. Okay. uh, See, guys, I'm creating users T4 users group. I'm creating T4 application users. T4 application users. So, guys, parent group in the sense, whenever you provided any parent group here, so I'm providing parent group T4 admin. So this is the parent group. T4 admin is the parent group, and T4 users are the child group. Okay, so how it will the child group? I will show you, because this T4 users comes under this T4 admin, because indirectly what are the users present in this T4 users? Those users will also be part of the T4 admin users as well. I will show you. So I'm adding my username here, Venkata underscore Narayana. So here group type. So guys, I will explain what is meant by group type, because see, we had a group type objects also available, guys. Group type objects, which is nothing but uh, allows you to further classify and provide more efficient. See, we'll quickly go to the group type. So guys, you have different how can I say, uh, so you have we are developing one college application, guys. Okay, college application we are developing. So in the college, we have the different branches. Okay, like ECE. Assume we have one of the group called ECE branch. So in this ECE branch, we have ECE A, ECE B, ECE C. These are the three sections are available in the ECE branch, guys. Okay. So now this is one of the ECA group. This is one group. This is group one. Okay, I have created for ECA, I have created one group called group one. And for ECB, I have created a group two. For ECC, I have created the group three. Okay, so these are all the three different groups. I want to I want to merge these three groups. Group one, group two, group three. EC group one, EC group two, EC group three. I want to merge them into single group. At that time, ECE branch is the group type, guys. Okay, group type. So ECE branch is the group type. So I can add these three groups into this group type. So whenever I calling this ECE branch, so I can able to fetch these three groups. You got it, right? So this is how the group type will works. Group type in the sense similar groups. We will join them as a single group type. So we will create that group type as well. You don't need to worry. Yeah. So similar type of groups we will store under one group type object. So I will create one group type object and I will show you. Yeah. So as of now, these are the similar group types which I have already existing in this application. So before creating this group, I will create a group type. See, I'm cancel that. See here, we have the group type, right? See, group types. Group types, what will it do? Allows you to organize your groups into in different categories and associated certain metadata with a group. So you can answer this when they are asking what is meant by the group type. Yeah. Okay. Now T4 group type. I'm providing this name as a group type as well, but better understanding. Yeah. So we have the group type. So now I'm creating a new group called T4 users. T4 users. Parent group, I'm selecting this as a T4 admin, and members, I'm providing my name here. Okay. Yeah, here you can able to see new group type called T4. We'll search T4. Yeah, T4 group type is available, right? So I'm selecting the instead of custom. Custom in the sense it will not comes under any of the group type. It will have their individual groups. Okay. When I select T4 uh, group type, it will comes under this group type. Okay. So visibility. Visibility in the sense these users can be publicly view for everyone. These group users can be able to restrict only for admins and other users. So in depthly you want to know about this. Uh, where is the visibility? Attributes, adding object security, creating a child. So guys, I will explain you in the real time itself. So see, uh, whenever we are providing these users who are part of this administrator, sorry, users group, people are there, right? So those users logged in into the application. So he is part of this group, right? So wherever we have used this group for the security purpose, those users will be restricted. If you provide the restricted, so they can't be able to access it. Visibility condition we have provided as a restricted, right? So we can't able to they can't able to access it when we provided this restricted. Okay. So and also this is for uh, the members can see each other in the sense. So when the user opens this group, he can be able to see the other group members as well. Okay. So like that, we can provide the security. But high in the sense, only admin can see each other, see the members in the sense who are part of the administrator group. Then only those users can only be able to see the other group members. So we are providing minimum security permissions like those users who are part of this group can able to see the other members as well. So then they can identify, right? So I am part of it, another user is also part of it. So for this group as well, it is asking me to the provide the administrators security administrators. See, parent has security warnings. View and update the parent security to resolve the inherited warnings. See, because here you can see uh, here, groups can inherit security from the parent group if they have one. Group visibility memberships are configured in the group properties rather than its role map. So when we provided the parent group, right? So parent group security can get the can inherit to the child in the sense whatever the securities we have given, right? Like administrators can have your access, all users have administrator access, some other thing, vice versa. All admins can have administrator access. All users have the viewer access. So those permissions, whatever we have configured for the admin, those securities will get inherit to the users as well because we have provided the parent group name. So, but in the parent group name, we have few warnings are there. So it is asking us to view and update your parent security to resolve it, to inherit the securities. So now this tip is also helpful for you to explain about more detail about the groups. Yes. Okay, now coming back to here and saving with the warning as well. Yes. So now this is the T4 group type, guys. Before going to the T4, we'll quickly configure the security. Uh, security T4 admin have administrator access. T4 users has. Okay, this is okay. Admin group can have only administrator accesses. Okay, saving this. Okay, when you can go through this T4 user security. You can see, right? T4 administrator group security got inherited from the parent. And I'm providing the viewer permission. T4 users have the, okay, groups can only have the administrator permissions. We can't able to provide the viewer permissions. Yes. Okay. Now we'll go to the group type, guys. Group types, when we will use the group type. So in the group type, you can able to see in the group type, there is an option called new group got added. Right. So you can, if you want to add another group type, another group into this group type, you can add here. So we have added T4 users as a group type, right? So now this will comes under this group type. So when we call this group type, what will happen? It will fetch all the groups and their members as well. So at that scenario, it will useful. So now we'll go to the users group, guys. Not users. I will show you the parent group. So now this is the T4 admin group. In the T4 admin group, this is how the landing page will look like when you open the T4 group. So here, members, you can able to see the members of this admin group. So I have given T4 as a parent group for the users, right? So in the parent group, this is the child group. You got it? This is the child group. T4 users are the child group. So this will comes under the parent group itself. T4 parent group, we have the users. This is the child group. This is the parent group. So indirectly, the users who are part of this group, T4 users group, I will add another user into this group. Then I can explain you what is meant by direct and indirect. Uh, So I have added a new user, Ganesh Babu Jagadishan. He is the direct member of the T4 users. Okay, this user is part of the T4 users. Now, when you go to the T4 administrators, Ganesh Babu Jagadishan is also comes under the T4 admin group, but he is the indirect member because he is part of the T4 users. T4 users is part of the admin group. You got it? So that's why the user will comes under as an indirect. So if you add directly the user into this T4 admin, this will be the direct member type. If you added a child group user members into the parent group will be the indirect members. So this is how you can able to differentiate the member type, whether he is a direct user or else he is part of the child group and then he comes under the parent group, then he will be the indirect user. Okay, so this is nothing but the object type. Object type in the sense, in this group, you want to filter with the groups, you can select this option to filter with the groups only. See, here only one group is there in this group. If you want to filter with the users, there is only one user is there in this group. And if you have the direct filter you want to apply, you can apply direct filter. So guys, here direct and indirect we have seen, right? So what is meant by the rule? So when you want to know about the rule, here there is another window called rule, right? Membership rules. Here, this membership rule, if you can create, if you want to create, you can create a new rule. So those rule will work. So add groups of the custom. This rule take the precedent over the members add explicitly rule conditions are case sensitive and whom he is named from. So So we can provide the user guys, user and their group. So those users also part of that group can be able to part of this group like that we can able to create. Okay. As of now, do you have any questions guys up to now on groups and group type? If you are good now, then I will go for the folders. Yeah, Pranali, are you there? Hello.
Yeah, audible
Oh,
then.
okay. Okay. Pranali, are you there?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Do you have any questions on the groups and group types?
No, as of now, no. Actually, I means cleared
Yeah.
my doubts.
Yeah. Okay. Then fine. So we'll quickly create a folders then. Yeah. I'm providing you the links as well. After this session, you can go through these links.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. Then you can get more clarity on this groups. Mm, folders. Yes, guys. We'll discuss why use folders and where when we will use the folders. Yes. What is meant by the folders? Yeah. As your design, you want to upload any documents to support building out interfaces or process model. For example, you might image or a company logo in a site or a PDF to generate invoices and everything. You can use folders to manage and deploy the documents. Use it to build your own applications. Yes, folders are used to manage and deploy the documents. Use it to build your applications. So you can say this as an answer for the folder definition. Okay. So we'll discuss about folder types and the documents. Yep. So now, not this one. Yes, this one. Yes. So documents are created and maintained as part of the workflows. Why we use the folders? So when you use the folders to manage the documents, like deploying documents between the environments and organize the documents into the local logical subfolders for easy navigation and Appian Designer, secure documents as well, required objects, knowledge center and document folder. Yes. Okay. Document security. Okay. Managing the documents. Okay. 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 Viewing the document properties. Okay. Document versions. Okay. Deleting documents, moving documents. Yeah. Folders. Manage document. Create folder. Move document. Yes, this is the correct documentation link we get it. Yes, about the folders. Folders allows you to organize the objects into logical subfolders for easy navigation and API designer. They can also provide the basic security for your application objects since inherit the security from the configured parent folder. Yes, this is the best definition you can answer. Okay. Yes, guys. So, guys, see, this is the URL I will provide for your reference as well. Yeah. Now, so mainly folders why we will use is so whenever if you want to create any one of the application object like interface you want to create, you need to provide the save into we need to provide for save into we need to create a rule folder for interface we need to create a folder type apart from leave it. So if you want to create any one object like expression rule you want to create at that time you definitely need to provide the folder save in folder you need to provide. That means that means for every object in our APN, it requires a folder to store. So whenever you want to create a document, you can create a document documents. Mainly documents. What is meant by the document in the sense, uh, if you want to upload a document, I mean. Uh, this will be way advanced topic, so don't get confused, guys. I will take one class for this document itself. As of now, documents, why we'll use these documents in the sense when you are uh, trying to preview something. So in our application site, APN site, you want to preview something like you want to preview like company logo or else any one of the user image or else any one of the chart you want to display at that time you are not supposed to allow to directly show at that time you definitely need to create a for document, guys, for that image or else funny file or else you are working in this application and BA gives you some business related documents. Okay, business related documents he has provided, so those documents you need to store in this application to accessible for the all the users. At that time what you usually do, we usually do the uh, creating a document for this and storing some other folder. Okay, like this we usually do. Okay, as of now. Yes, so now, yes, so if you want to create a web API, uh, yeah, if you want to create a process model you need to select the process model type folder. So for few of the objects in APN, it requires the folders. So that's why the folders comes into the picture in the APN. So you definitely need to create a folder to store those objects and the documents. So while creating the folder, you need to select this new drop down and then you need to pick up this folder name. So folder type. So whenever you select the folder type, it is populating the four. Four types of folders are available, right? What is meant by these four types of and one when it is referred to these four types. Okay. For this only, this link will be helpful for you. See. These are the folder types: rule folders, process model folders, knowledge center folders, and document folders. Okay. Rule folders can contain only interfaces, expression rules, decisions, constants and integrations, and other rule subfolders. This means in the rule folder, we can be able to store these all the APN objects. We can able to store these APN objects. Coming to the process model folders, we can store only the process model type of objects. Okay. Coming to the knowledge center type of folder, knowledge center type are contains of containers for the folders and their files. Okay, they can only contains the document folders and the documents. Okay, knowledge center folder. System knowledge center folder is used to store system documents. And document folder is nothing but we will store the documents. What are the documents we have created, right? Those documents only we will store under this document folder. Okay, so yeah, These are all the document related types. If you want me to provide me the exact definitions for each of them, I can provide. Yeah. Oh, yes. Multiple Appian objects like interfaces, expression rule, decisions, constants, and integration comes under the rule folder. Coming to the process model folders, we will contain the process model objects only. Coming to the knowledge center folder is the parent folder for the document folders. Document folder in the sense we will store the documents in the document folder. So as of now, I will create a new folder for the rule folder for the rules. Rules folder, T4 rules folder I'm creating. uh, Rule folder, rule folder type like that I'm providing the description, so then everyone can understand this is the rule folder type. So same like that, if you have provided the parent folder name you can provide, otherwise you can leave this as well. It is not a mandatory field as we provided a parent group name, right? So like that we will provide. So yes, here as well we need to provide the security for the groups. So I am providing T4 admins group as a object level security, guys. Object level security I am providing. T4 users have viewer access. So this is how we need to follow. T4 admin you need to provide administrators, and viewer you need to provide viewer access. And I'm saving this. So yes. This is how we need to this is how we will create the folders, right? So whenever you place the mouse over this rule folder name, you can identify what type of folder it is. It is a rule folder. Okay, so we'll create remaining type of objects tomorrow, no need to worry. So I will give you the task today, what you need to work on it. If you have any doubts or while facing any issues, uh, today I will update this task page. Okay, don't need to worry. Mm, What you need to work on it? I will update. Yeah, Pranal, share your email address with Nagesh. Okay, Nagesh will
Okay,
share.
sure.
Yeah, I will provide the sheet access. Huh? Okay, I'll provide the detail asks. So we'll discuss more detail in detail tomorrow session. Okay, folders how to create and everything. As of now, you can go through these links today. Okay, whatever the links and the topics we have discussed, those links you will go through it. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I have to work on you with the creating the groups and group types, folders, uh, explore the open environment.